everyone. Hello. It's a one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My old bonge people, today topic na about one man. The man say he need advice. He need more na give him advice. He want really go about this his wife situation wey in dey so. He say his wife, mona lis ten o, mona know how now take give am advice. He say he don marry this woman for years now. The woman dey Nigeria. I never travel ever since go see the woman. He never travel for a long time and now go see the woman. So, but in the date one girl for year, in the date one girl for year. But he not take the girl serious because of his wife. And of recent now, mona lis ten o. Of recent now, the girl wey in the date for year come tell her now say he get belle for her. In dey fear his wife for Naija, say he no wan tell the girl make he born the pikin. He wan tell the girl make the girl go remove am. Una dey understand me? Because of his wife for Naija, in dey fear. Whether may he tell the one wey dey here say make go remove am, he no know. Then he now come go Nigeria. Of recent go see his wife. As he reach there, he come meet his friend shoe for his wife for their house for Naija. Now he come dey ask his wife, how his friend shoe take come your house? Because he see man shoe, he ask am, he say na his friend a shoe. How his friend shoe take come here? His wife no fit explain. So in dey suspect his wife now, say his wife dey jogodo his friend ever since I been waiting. Because now he get girlfriend for here when he wan leave because of his wife. But now he come dey get two mind now, say this his wife now not be in the jogodo with his friend. Because what his friend slippers can't do for their house? That will be the question. So, but his wife not fit give good answer ever since. Not be only shoe he see, he even see singlet join. So his wife now no want talk truth. He like they deny, say no, nothing, all those things. But the man they suspect him. The man they suspect and say this woman they jogodo another man since. So what we una reason, my people? Una feel say that woman they jogodo that his friend. Because he now say so that me whether me you focus on the one way they here. Because this one now don't get belle for her. Whether me focus on the girl where they here. And waiting in the reason now. So how una reason this matter, my people? How una reason now? Make him we forget that one where they Naija, or make him focus because that one where they Naija don't born for him before. So the one where they here now get belle. Whether me you focus on the one where they here now waiting in the ass now. Instead the thing in they confused, like he don't know how he want go about am. Because all those women for Naija, you know if you trust them more, because you know if you live with for many years. It take by the grace of God for a God-fearing woman to stay the way for you, It just take by the grace of God, though. Una when they leave woman for Naija, just think say the woman go just stay like that without the jogo do another man. You say easy. It's not easy, oh. Some women not they feel stay, some they jogo do like serious. They do am steady. They do am, they do vaga anything with anything. Because this man now they suspect his wife now. He now they suspect his wife. What una reason? Make him go ahead. They marry that one with the Naija, or make him focus on the one with the here. And waiting in the reason now. Because I said the way the woman they do, so kind call where the woman they receive for Naija there. He not trust the woman again. He not trust the woman again. So in they suspect the woman now, like seriously. In they suspect her now, say this woman the jogodo another man. So what do una think? Una think say this woman not the real jogodo another man. How una reason the matter? For me, the way the man take talk, I suspect that woman. say the jogodo another man. Because after 5 years, when he leave am, like say go Nigeria, so after 5 years, you know. So I dey suspect foul play. That woman dey do so kind kukukere waka. And they understand so kind kukukere waka she dey do am. All those women don't dey trust them. Some of them don't dey trust them for Naija. I know say some dey stay even 10 years safe. This one dey stay, but hey, my dear brother, my own advice, me and I know I dey suspect the woman, but I don't know how una opinion go be for this matter. How una reason am. Una leave una comment for the comment section, because me, I dey suspect that woman. I dey suspect am. So the advice wey the man need now be say, whether may he focus on the one wey dey here, because this one don't get belle for am. Whether may you forget that one wey dey Naija, focus on the one wey dey here. And wetin in the reason now? How una reason am? How una look am? Make it go ahead. They marry the one wey dey Naija, or make it focus on the one wey dey here. Now wetin in the think now? Because all those women, I trust him. You can't trust some of them. You can't trust them. Now here, now him marry woman. The for Naija, he come here finish. The woman they bring the ex guy for go ask for Naija. Then they jogo do they enjoy himself as he like. When the man even know, you tell the man say, what do you be expect? You just say you marry people for a year. Then you will just do Europe there, they enjoy yourself. You know they possible. He can't ask the man. You know the jogo for Europe where you did. Now what did she ask the man? Now what did she ask the man? The man not say answer give her. So for me, that woman the jogodo, that woman the jogodo like steady the jogodo. Now he make she don't want tell the man the truth. That woman the jogodo. You understand? So that the way me tell reason am o, but me no know na own opinion. So this man say he go dey read all the comments, make him know whether make him really go ahead. They marry the one wey dey Naija, or me he focus on the one wey dey here. So how una reason the matter? Anyhow una reason am. I bet for now the hear and the other those the dog. Now my neighbor wey dey here, now their dog, now they make noise like that. So anyhow una reason the matter, my people, una let me know how una reason that, whether may go ahead to marry the one with the Naija, or may focus on the one with the Europe. Una let me know. Thank you everybody. Take care, and they go really need an opinion for this matter. I know say sometimes two head is better than one. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye everybody. Bye. Share my video. Always put thumbs up for me. Not only watch, please share my video. Share so that others will learn from me too. Thank you and bye.